LumiKids!
Pick up toys and put them in. Blocks go right into the bin. Clean up time is fun to do. Baby cleans and LumiKids too. Red toys here and blue toys there. Yellow toys go everywhere. Sort them all and you will see. Clean up makes us happy. Wipe the table nice and slow. Make it shiny, watch it glow. Clean the shelf and floor today. Tidy time is fun to play. Everything is neat and bright. Hey, baby's room is just right. Clean up time is done. Hooray! Now it's time to laugh and play. Everything is neat and bright. Everything is neat and bright. Everything is neat and bright.